Hey guys, welcome to the commentary version. So I started with the cube, moved it up a little and scaled it in the X by pressing S to scale then X, and also scale it in the Y by pressing S, and then press Y. Then I added a subdivision modifier with level of 1. Press Ctrl R to add a loop cut and slide it down. Press C and select wireframe to go into the wireframe view. Then in the side view I selected this vertices by pressing C and circle selecting. Apply the modifier and go to the bottom view by pressing Ctrl+7 on the number pad. Adjust the vertices to make a circular shape for the legs. I'm pressing G to grab and move the vertices. Select these faces and press C, then press Z to extrude only in the Z. Scale them on the Z to 0 to flatten the faces. Now press B and box select half of the body and delete it. Add in a mirror and subdivision modifiers. Right click and shade smooth to smooth the object. Select the bottom faces of the leg and press Ctrl++ to expand the selection. Scale it in the Y a little. Apply both modifiers. Now adjust this vertices to make a rounded shape. Extrude these faces and scale them a little, and then extrude inwards a bit and then outwards. Select these back faces and press Shift-D to duplicate them, and extrude them into Y. Then scale the back faces into Y to make them flat. You can select a separate object by hovering over it and pressing L. Now scale it a little. Create a new material and change the viewport display color to red. Select the faces and assign them to a new black material. Press Ctrl then A to apply transforms. Time for the rigging. Add in a single bone and move it up. Check the in front box so that we can view out armature through the object. Right click and subdivide our bone. Change number of cuts to 2. Press Shift-E to duplicate this bone and adjust the rotation and position. Subdivide the leg bone. And now let's rename our bones adding .L at the end of the names. Press F2 to rename your bones. After that select these bones and press right click and symmetrize to mirror them on the other side. Duplicate this bone for the face and for the back in case you want to animate them later on. Now let's go to object mode and select the body first, then the armature and press Ctrl and P to pair them with automatic weights. Parent the backbone to this bone by pressing Ctrl P and keep offset. Also do this for the leg bone to this bone. Time for the animation. Let's pose our character into a running pose using R to rotate. And press I to add keyframe. Now right click and copy our keyframe, or you can press Ctrl C. Paste the keyframe inverted on frame 7 and paste it normally at frame 13. Press T and select constant interpolation. Change the final frame to 13. Press space to play your animation. Let's add a passing pose between the keyframes. Adjust the pose from the front view too. Play your animation, and we are done. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video.